Home2 Suites by Hilton in Palm Beach International Airport. We're staying in room 416. Got my key card here. Let's go. As you walk in, there's your evacuation plan. And here's your standby freezer with nothing in it, I suppose. Here's your kitchen sink, you can see right there. It's cool, doesn't it? Here's your forks, pots and pans, and some type of toaster. And something in it, it's like this. What was that anyways? Now we're gonna start by this. I'll put it right there. And this is starting off by the bathroom is your sink. Is your Kohler sink, and there's your commode, which is Kohler. You can see from there, and let's give it a good one. It's hard to tell by it doesn't drain right. So, and there's your shower right there. It doesn't it? And let's demonstrate it using this. Yeah, cool, right? Not and here's your whatever you call this towel, and your stuff right there. Yeah, there we go. All right. And there's your whatever you call it. Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. There's this, and there's your private one. Yeah. And there's your peephole with something in it, and cups too. There's your lamp. They're like all types of lamps. There's your Samsung TV. There's your Holy Bible with nothing else. And there's your, whatever you call it. And there's your hangers with something in it. Down there is your outdoor pool. And you do that too, yeah. Yup. All right, so I think, and there's your queen size bed, and some type of, there's like this bed sheet right there. I know this is kind of messed up. It's all right. They're gonna clean it in a minute. And yes, and there's your like digital clock. Reminds me of the Hampton Inn in Bedford, Mass. That has that timer, unlike most Hiltons. So yeah, that concludes the hotel room tour of the Home2 Suite in Palm Beach International Airport. If you want to see more, let me know in the comments, and stay tuned for more of my hotel room tour. So with that being said, that's it.